Welcome back to Simple Pure Whole Wellness. I have a video for you that will bring you the best of the Mediterranean diet and introduce you to some ways you can incorporate this way of eating into your own lifestyle without having to get on a plane. Nutrition fads come and go, but certain ways of eating stand the test of time. The Mediterranean diet is more than food, embracing a healthy, balanced lifestyle which is scientifically proven to produce long-term health benefits. Fortunately, you don't have to buy a plane ticket to benefit from this eating philosophy. Instead of strictly limiting certain types or groups of foods, the Mediterranean diet involves a healthy pattern of eating seasonal, whole foods, which are easily grown in the local climate. It focuses on real foods that are not processed or refined, healthy fats that fight inflammation, and fresh produce. A typical Mediterranean way of eating incorporates plenty of antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables, legumes and beans, minimally processed whole grains, healthy fats like those found in olive oil, fatty fish like sardines, and nuts and seeds, and a variety of flavorful herbs. Some of the most commonly cited health benefits of a Mediterranean way of eating and living include improved heart health and reduced risk of stroke, balanced weight and metabolism, reduced risk of cancers of the breast, colon, and stomach, preserved memory and brain function, and a more balanced mood. There is a wealth of ancient wisdom in this way of eating, which reflects nature and balance. Nutrient-dense, fresh, and full of flavor, the Mediterranean way of eating is a treat for the taste buds. Here are 5 foods that are staples in the Mediterranean diet, which you can add into your meals to reap anti-inflammatory benefits while enjoying rich, delicious flavor. High-quality extra virgin olive oil is a key staple in the traditional Mediterranean diet, and responsible for many of the anti-inflammatory benefits of this way of eating. Olive oil contains a phenolic compound called olecanthal, which has been shown to have strong anti-inflammatory effects throughout the entire body. In fact, research suggests that a Mediterranean diet supplemented with extra virgin olive oil or nuts reduce the incidence of major cardiovascular events in those at high risk of cardiovascular disease.
That bitterness is the healthiest thing. So actually, this variety of olive tree has now been categorized as a cure. So it's not just healthy anymore, it's literally a cure because it has very, very high amount of antioxidants and polyphenols inside. So very bitter and very healthy.
Drizzle high-quality extra virgin olive oil atop cooked greens and soups to help boost the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins and add flavor. Use olive oil to simmer onions, tomatoes, herbs, and garlic at low to medium temperatures to make a sofrito as the base of sauces, or make a simple yet flavorful salad dressing by whisking together extra virgin olive oil, fresh squeezed lemon juice, and fresh herbs. Fennel is another delicious staple of the Mediterranean diet and has a long history of use as a culinary and medicinal plant. Cultures around the globe have valued fennel due to its unique flavor and anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antiviral, anti-tumor, and antispasmodic properties. Fennel is a beautiful plant recognized by its feathery fronds and yellow flowers. It's highly aromatic with an anise scent and warm and woody undertones. The entire fennel plant is edible, including the bulb, seeds, stalks, and leaves. The fennel bulb has a crisp, crunchy texture and adds flavor, bioflavonoids, vitamin C, calcium, and potassium to any dish. It's delicious raw in salads or roasted to bring out its flavor. The green, airy fennel fronds have a light texture that adds something special to salad and a taste like fresh anise. The yellow flowers contain coveted pollen, which has a sweet and dynamic flavor used as a spice, while the seeds can be used as an herb in cooking or dried to make a delicious tea which benefits digestion. Capers add flavor and traditionally have been used to promote, stimulate, and preserve liver function, and recent science supports this traditional use. Capers have also been valued in traditional Chinese medicine, known for their bitter and pungent properties, which is believed to improve blood circulation. Try adding some capers to salad dressings for a salty tanginess, tossing capers into pasta salads to add a Mediterranean flair, or pairing roasted veggies with the tartness of capers for contrast. One of my favorite features of the Mediterranean way of eating is incorporating the abundance of fresh herbs into my everyday routine. In addition to packing a huge flavor punch, herbs are packed with phytonutrients, which give them unique health benefits. To gain some of these anti-inflammatory benefits of the Mediterranean diet, utilize spices and herbs like rosemary, mint, thyme, oregano, and sage liberally in cooking. Rosemary is one of my favorite herbs and readily found growing wild in the Mediterranean. A member of the mint family, rosemary is a flowering shrub that's used as both a dried and fresh herb.
Aromatherapy, gastronomy, but also it's very good for preservation as a preservative in food. It's used in many old Dalmatian recipes where they usually pickle or marinate things, and they always put a branch of rosemary to keep it to last longer.
To incorporate more herbs into your diet, rub sliced veggies with rosemary, sage, or other herbs before grilling. Infuse your olive oil with fresh rosemary and other herbs, or utilize fresh herbs to make healing teas. Simply pick some fresh herbs and steep in hot but not boiling water for 5 to 10 minutes before straining and enjoying. Locally available seasonal fruits and vegetables make up the bulk of the Mediterranean diet, and figs are one of the most delicious treats. While fresh figs are quite perishable, figs can also be naturally dried in the sun without preservatives or sulfites to create a sweet and nutritious dried fruit that can be enjoyed throughout the year. Figs are rich in minerals such as potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron, and copper, and are also a great source of the antioxidant vitamins A and K. The leaves of the fig plant are also edible and rich in quercetin, a natural antihistamine, which may also help to balance insulin and blood glucose levels. Enjoy fresh or dried figs in oatmeal or breakfast porridge, add chopped fresh figs to your salads, or make a tapenade spread from ground dried figs, pitted olives, and citrus zest. I hope this video has inspired you to adopt some of the benefits of this eating philosophy, and that you enjoy these delicious foods which are staples of the Mediterranean diet in your everyday life. Check out the information box below for links to the full post as well as resources for healthy recipes that will help you enjoy these delicious foods. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and if you've enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple, pure, whole wellness.